Kotlin tutorial number 7, Classes. Kotlin classes declare properties directly in the constructor header, class person, val name, string var age. Int is a complete class with two properties, getters, and a setter on age. No separate field declarations, know this. Name equals name assignment, no getter slash setter boilerplate. Java needs ~15 lines for the same thing. Declare data class user, val name, string val age, int, and the compiler auto-generates equals, hash code, to string, and copy. That is 30+ lines of Java boilerplate replaced by one line. Copy lets you create a modified clone without touching the original, essential for immutable data patterns. Add a get, block to compute a property value on every access, no separate method needed. Add private set to make a property readable externally but writable only inside the class. These are not just syntax sugar. The compiler generates the correct bytecode and respects all visibility rules. Mark a class open to allow subclassing, unlike Java where every class is open by default. This one keyword forces explicit intent. Only classes designed for extension are open. Override functions must also carry open in the parent and override in the child. Missing override is a compile error. Use a companion object instead of Java static. It is a real object, so it can implement interfaces, hold state, and be injected. Members of a companion object are accessed via the class name, just like statics. Mark a companion object member at JVM static to expose it as a real Java static for interoperability. Abstract classes hold shared state and implementation. Interfaces define contracts with optional default implementations. A Kotlin class can implement multiple interfaces but only extend one class. When two interfaces define the same method, override it in the implementing class and use super interface name method to disambiguate.